Let's take a look at this problem. We got the square root of x to the fifth over the square root of y to the fifth. Well, to begin with, let's simplify this. So let's figure out how many x's and y's we're going to have come out. Now for x's, we're going to take our power, which is 5, divided by our index, which is 2. So again, your power, which is here, divided by your index, and square root always has an index of 2. Now this is old style division. 5 divided by 2 is 2 with a remainder of 1. This 2 here tells us how many x's we're going to have come out. And this tells us how many we're going to leave inside the radical. Now for our y's. Again, we're going to do 5 divided by 2. Take our power, divide by the index. That gives us 2 with a remainder of 1. This 2 here is how many y's we have come out. This 1 here is how many y's we have stay in. Okay, so let's see what's going on here. We have 2 x's come out. We have 1 x stay inside. Here we have 2 y's come out. We have 1 y stay inside. Okay, now that we've simplified the radical, the 2 things we need to consider when dealing with radicals and fractions is there's no fractions inside of a radical. Don't have a problem there. And there's no radicals in the denominator. We have a square root down here. Well, to get rid of that square root, we're going to multiply the top and bottom by that square root. So multiply top and bottom by square root of y. We'll see y here in a second. Now up on top, multiply those together. We got x squared, and then square root of x times square root of y. We're going to put them underneath the same square root, and we have x times y. We can do that because they have the same index. Down below we have the y squared, and square root of y times square root of y gives us square root of y times y. Now for square roots, we're looking for pairs of something. Here's a pair of y's, so a pair of y is going to come out in front as a single y. So we got x squared times square root of xy over y squared times, and the pair of y's comes out as a single y. And we can do a little bit of simplifying. We got x squared square root of xy. Y squared times y the first. If you got y to a power times y to a power, you add the exponents. 2 plus 1 gives us y to the third. And that's our answer.